In an act of extraordinary bravery, two dance class teachers, Leanne and Heidi Barlow, saved up to 16 children from a horrific knife attack during a Taylor Swift-themed workshop in Southport. The masked assailant ambushed the event, resulting in the tragic death of 3 children aged 6, 7, and 9, while leaving several others critically injured. Leanne, 35, who organized the yoga and bracelet-making class, is currently fighting for her life in the hospital after sustaining serious stab injuries. Her colleague, Heidi Barlow, managed to lock herself and several children in a toilet, shielding them from the attacker. Their quick thinking and selflessness prevented further casualties in the 25-strong class of children aged between 6 and 11. Merseyside police revealed that a 17-year-old boy has been arrested on suspicion of murder and attempted murder. The suspect allegedly arrived at the venue in a taxi just before the workshop ended, exploiting an unlocked door left open due to the heat. The community is in mourning as they grapple with the aftermath of this senseless violence. Tributes and condolences have poured in from across the country, including statements from King Charles, Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer, and Taylor Swift herself, expressing their shock and sorrow. The teacher's heroism has been widely recognized, with relatives and community members hailing their actions as life-saving. Ms. Lucas, a dedicated educator and fan of Taylor Swift, had recently returned to the UK after teaching abroad and organizing enriching activities for children. Despite her severe injuries, her bravery and dedication to protecting her students have left an indelible mark on all who know her. This tragic event has not only highlighted the vulnerability of such innocent settings but also showcased the incredible courage and quick thinking of those who stepped up to protect the children. As the investigation continues, the community's focus remains on healing and supporting the victims and their families during this devastating time.